Happy birthday, Josh, and congratulations on your promotion.
Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Take care, guys.
Hi, Josh. Just want to wish you a happy birthday. Congratulations on your promotion. And you're turning 30 now. So the big 3-0. Happy birthday from Canada.
Happy 30th birthday. Best wishes.
Hi, Josh. I'm your Ninong from Dongyeon. Cheers to your 30th birthday. May you have a healthy, happy, wealthy life together with your family. Enjoy your day.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Oyik! I wish you all the best because you are one of the best. And I miss the days na maliliit pa kayo ni Jello, you're playing your video games, and now you're now on your 30s. Jello is having a baby soon and becoming a dad. And for you, I wish you all the best. And I heard you got promoted, same as your kuya. Congratulations. All I want to say is dream big and fly high. I miss you, Oyik. Bye. Love you.
Hi, Oyik. Hello. Hello, everyone. Siguro hindi na ako masyado matatandaan ni Oyik. Kasi nung huling nakita ko siya ay nag-aaral pa lang siya sa St. Teresa's. So, ngayon ay malaki ka na. Marami ng utang si Ninang. Anyway, sana magkita ulit tayo soon. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Oyik! Papa, happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Oyik!
Congratulations sa promotion for your promotion. Congratulations, Kuya Omay. O, diba? Kailangan parehas sila lagi ni Kuya Omay. Yan, ang team up ni Kuya Omay and Oyik. I'm so happy na both of you are doing well sa work. I know that yung wisdom that God is giving you both is laging present. And work with all your yung heart ba is laging for the glory, hindi ng people surrounding you, but work with your heart to glorify God. I'm so happy na both of you are doing well sa work. Happy birthday, Oyik. Alam ko na lahat ng plans mo in life is nasa hands yan ng Lord. So, continue to be a blessing, especially to your family, to your mom and dad. And especially rin, syempre, with Kuya Oyik. I wish both of you well, and I'm praying for both of you, for the whole family. Congratulations, Kuya Omay. And we'll see you soon! We will see you soon. We'll surprise you pagdating namin dyan. Papa!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Congratulations! Love you both! Love you, Lou! See you soon!
Good morning, everyone. In the Philippines, we just wanted to let you guys know, happy birthday, Josh, and congratulations on your promotion.
We're so proud of you. We're wishing you a very successful year in the next year ahead, and more prosperous and healthy lifestyle for everyone.
And Merry Christmas to everybody there. Take care.
Merry Christmas.
Wishing you guys luck, wealth, health, everything the world can offer you.
Who knows?
Awesome.
We'll see you soon.
Yeah.
Wow.